Know you can cleanse your skin using raw honey? Yup, raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin while gently cleansing away dirt and bacteria. Here's the deal. Honey contains antibacterial properties that prevent breakouts while keeping your skin hydrated. Massage a teaspoon of raw honey onto damp skin for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Boom! Your skin will feel clean but never dry. Quick question. How many of you have been over-cleansing? Let me know in the comments. And if you're already loving this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got more life-changing skin hacks coming your way. Alright, here's where most people go wrong. Exfoliating too much or using harsh scrubs. Stop! Your skin doesn't need to be tortured to glow. Instead, try this. Mix ground oats with a little yogurt or milk to create a gentle, natural scrub. Or if you need something a bit stronger, mix sugar with coconut oil for a DIY exfoliator. Why does this work? Exfoliating removes dead skin cells that make your skin look dull, but these natural options won't damage your skin barrier. And trust me, healthy skin is glowing skin. Try this just once a week, your skin will thank you. Oh, and don't forget, if you've ever over-exfoliated before, drop an emoji in the comments. Next, let's talk toners. Forget those alcohol-based toners that make your skin feel tight and dry. Instead, try rose water or green tea as a natural toner. They're packed with antioxidants that calm inflammation and prep your skin for the next steps. Here's a pro tip. Chill your rose water in the fridge for an extra refreshing feel. You'll feel like you just walked out of a spa, and yes, it smells amazing too. Who doesn't love multitasking skincare? Now, here's a golden rule. Never skip moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, your face needs hydration. But you don't need fancy products. Aloe vera gel is your best friend. It hydrates, soothes, and even helps with acne. Or if you need something richer, use pure shea butter. It locks in moisture without clogging your pores. The result? Smooth, glowing skin that feels like velvet. How's that for a skincare upgrade? By the way, do you moisturize daily? Let me know. Let me drop a truth bomb. All your efforts are wasted if you skip sunscreen. Even indoors, UV rays can sneak in through windows and damage your skin. For a natural option, look for sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These minerals sit on top of your skin, reflecting harmful rays without absorbing them. Bonus? They're great for sensitive skin too. Trust me, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Drop everything and add this step to your routine. Alright, let's spice things up, literally. A turmeric mask is your secret weapon for glowing skin. Mix a pinch of turmeric with yogurt and a few drops of honey for a brightening mask that fades dark spots and evens out your complexion. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse it off and bam, instant glow. Pro tip, don't overdo it or you'll end up looking like a minion. Once a week is enough. Finally, remember that glowing skin starts from within. Drink plenty of water and add foods rich in water like cucumbers and watermelon to your diet. And don't forget, your skincare routine works best when you're nourishing your body too. Glowing skin is all about balance. So here's your bonus tip. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. Why? These fabrics are super gentle on your skin, preventing wrinkles and reducing friction that can cause irritation. Plus, they feel so luxurious. Which step are you trying first? Let me know in the comments.